the next step is the pagination. This involves two things. Firstly, the thumbnail pagination, which is here in the panel here. As we've auto-generated a table of contents or an index, it's inserted an unwanted page number here with a prefix. So the first step is to rectify thumbnail pagination. To do this, right-click, Format Page Numbers. We want to select all pages, and we want to begin a new section, and we want the style to be 1, 2, 3, 4 throughout the whole document. And we can see the sample there, that's what it will look like. The old way was like this. You would have each section would have its own numbering, would begin again its own numbering. However, that's not the case anymore, as I understand it. It is sequential numbering throughout the entirety of the document. So this is what we want. Let's see if that works. Yep, that's worked just great in the thumbnails, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to the end. We also need to add pagination to the footer of the document for anybody that's printing it. To do that, we use the ribbon here, Organize, Header and Footer, Update. Here you have the options of where you want to position the page number. I usually go for the center of the footer, and I would go for page 1. If you write page 1 like this, what will happen is, as you can see here on the preview panel, on page 1 it will say page 1. The trouble is that it will say page 1 on every page. We don't want that. We want the numbers to increase sequentially according to the page number of the document. So what we need to do is insert what's called a macro. Here you can see macro page number insert. This is a code that Foxit will use to attribute the correct page number, and as you increase through the previews, this is what it will look like, which is what we want. I'd say maybe this is a bit small. I'd increase that to say 18. The color black is probably okay. Most of my documents of my bundle don't have anything in the footer, so that should be okay. Maybe if I had some pages that had a lot of information down in the footer, maybe I would consider, say, making it red like that. But in this document, in this bundle, as I say, black should be fine. I'll check the page range options here. It's all pages, which is what I want. If I wanted to only specify certain pages, maybe I might want to correct page numbers, for example, then I would designate it here. But in this example, initially I want to do all pages. So I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click OK and see what happens. Yeah, so page 1 is page 1, page 2 is page 2, page 3 is page 3, and we've sorted out the page numbers.